Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City construction site from 2020 to 2021, and it is set 60252. As you can see, you get these beautiful orange cones and this sign to show that it's a construction site. And you get these beautiful wall pieces as well, and you get this beautiful tracked bulldozer, and the front can lift down and goes up, and you can open the bulldozer so that you can take the minifigure out. There are two minifigures in this set, and the bulldozer has this beautiful trailer, and this is the hook for the crane. Get the cement mixer, see, beautiful red, and also you get this construction crane with a wrecking ball, and it can lift up and it goes down, and it has a ladder so that the minifigure can climb up and down. And I bought this in 2021 at Toys R Us in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. And if toy companies want to contact me, my email is in a link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.